Hi guys. So have you looked at for one of these IKamper steps to help your dog get in and out the camper? They work great for that. So we just deployed our tent here. So I want to kind of show you how they stow these. So when you put your rooftop tent up, you just push all these forward, and then your sliding ladder telescopes and folds up with your ladder. So you can leave these on. You do not have to take these on and off every time you put your tent up and tear it down.
Win-win.
Win-win. So something else I want to show you is, as far as securement, these things are triple secured per rung. There's one pull tie and two Ziploc or two hook and loop Velcro straps per rung. So these things are attached to this ladder extremely well. So you don't have to worry about them rolling and pushing off.
Yeah, they don't move
at all. So once you get everything pushed out and deployed, all you got to do is push these in like so. Why we have our tent set up. That one there is a little close because of how our ladder falls. But then you're here. Okay, this serves two purposes, guys. I'm going to approach this as something you may have not thought of yet. If you're afraid of heights and looking into a rooftop tent, hopefully this will help you conquer your fear of heights. My wife is petrified of snakes. We just come back from Moab, and that's the main reason why we bought this. Also to help us get our 80-pound lab in and out of the tent, because carrying them up and down that step wasn't much fun. But the fear of heights, guys, was a big thing for my wife.